Guys, have you ever been told to mind your P's and Q's? Mind your P's and Q's is an English language expression which means to mind your manners, to mind your language, to be on your best behavior and watch what you are doing. P's and Q's are just the plurals of the letters P and Q. P sounds a little like please, and Q sounds a little like thank yous. So to mind your P's and Q's ultimately means to mind your manners, to be on your best behavior and speak in a respectable way or manner. There is some disagreement amongst grammarians about how to spell P's and Q's, either uppercase or lowercase, either with or without an apostrophe. You may see the phrase, mind your P's and Q's in the following forms. Mind your P's and Q's, lowercase with apostrophes, or mind your P's and Q's, uppercase without apostrophes, or mind your P's and Q's, uppercase with apostrophes, to mean to be on your best behavior. Mind what you say or what you are doing, to speak in a respectable manner, especially when speaking in public. The small letters P and Q are the same figure in reverse, so a young learner could easily confuse them. Literally, to mind your P's and Q's simply means to be careful not to confuse them in your writing. Figuratively, it means to be careful to do things right or to pay attention to details, to be on your best behavior. Speak and behave in a respectable manner or way. Here is an example. I have to mind my P's and Q's when I'm with my grandmother. What the speaker is saying is, I have to mind my manners or language. I should watch out how I behave and the words that are coming out of my mouth. I should behave in a decent manner and speak in a respectable manner, to put on my best behavior when I'm speaking with my grandmother. I have to mind my P's and Q's when I'm with my grandmother. Thanks for watching. If you found some value, I'm happy. Please show me some love by sharing this short English lesson video with a friend or two. In that way, you'll be helping this channel to grow. I will see you around soon.